we have to repair a rock chip today. The rock chip in question is right here. Right there. Right there. Right there. See it? Brand new windshield. It's just life. Make sure you guys are out of the way. Right there should be fine, huh? I'm gonna clean it first. Prep your areas, guys. Hit it with the double whammy. Yeesh. I don't know, guys. I'm a little bleak. I'm losing stuff. That's what you get. And then instruction manualones and the strip things.
We want to fill it with the filler. It's like resin, I think it is. It'll also give you a little pokey on that. I don't know how much better that's going to do. I don't think this is going to work very well, but hey, we'll find out, I guess. We'll find out. Get every little angle, every different angle. Make sure you get everything out. Wipe it down one more time. After we do this. Get it right again. A little spritz. Pretty.
Two hours later.
Do that, and then we're supposed to go like this, max, and then go like this, and then go like this, and lock it. How long?
Already did it. Already did it.
Okay, guys. It's been a couple days since I did the rock chip repair. and you can still see it. I can still feel it. I don't know. Must not done it right. Followed all the steps. I think I can do it again. I feel like I can put some more in there. I don't know. As long as it prevents it from getting any bigger, that's all I care about.